So let's go over some main events this week. Looking at gold at the moment is still ranging. So what it means that we have the recent A here, recent B here. So we've been kind of consolidating during the week, getting some lower time frame discounted area reactions. I'll go over those kind of in an hour and lower time frames. So we have nice order flow here in lower daily time frames, where the gold kept pushing up. We had some really nice imbalance fills here on already on 30 minutes. We had some nice imbalance fills also seen in 15 minutes. This bounce came from 5-minute imbalance, so you have to go deeper into the lower time frames to see where the bounces and the discounted prices might be. So this was really nice. One of the most cleanest buys actually during this week on lower time frames. But since I watched mostly 23, then I didn't get those kind of base candles this week as we usually see. And we didn't hit in the beginning of the week, which was here Monday. We didn't hit the last imbalance here also on the 23 hour. So yeah, we're still kind of ranging. We might see some more buys pushing up from this area because we still have some little time frame imbalances there, such as I think there was 15-minute and 5-minute definitely. So I see that probably the price will push here in and maybe then continue up because we still have targets at 1950. So yeah, still waiting on gold. But the ones that I got this week was actually the GBP CAD, where we had the previous structure. We had intraday. First of all, we had high here and low here, where we got the break of structure. So we see those lower time frame V2 candles playing out here. We made a new low on small time frames, retracement back up and a new low. So we have kind of this A here and this B here down. So we were still ranging in a in a bearish range. And we also broke the demand here, which was previously pushing price up. So we actually broke it here, as we see with the VIX. I'm going to open my chart now. So here's a break of structure on demand. So we still have nice imbalance sitting right down here. So that's the target actually. And we had, how I got into this trade, we had, first of all, we had nice little imbalance still left on 23 hour. So those little imbalances actually speak a lot about where the price might be heading. And then we had this massive VIX here on lower time frame A's. So I had to go on lower time frames and look for the imbalance. So I went to 1 hour, didn't recognize any imbalance here, then switched to 30 minutes and I got nice little discounted zone imbalance right over here. So that's where I put my limit. So this one's active, actually trading at the moment. I'm targeting 110, which is about here, but it's at the moment it's 1 to 6 on profit. So I'm gonna let that ride. Maybe some news that's gonna come in 2 minutes, basically gonna push the price. So we'll see how the New York opens and plays out. There was also some small time frame stacking options. It played out actually really nice where we had low, we had an intraday high. So this last bullish range got broken and we had a 30-minute breaker candle. So it's a V2, same as on 23. This one played out. I was personally looking for the 1 hour because it also presented little nice imbalance here. That was actually the last imbalance we see here. So this one's all filled. So that's why I actually looked at this 1 hour to continue down. But price, yeah, played out this 30-minute and maybe let's see the 15-minute. Yeah, also the 15-minute breaker candle played out, this white one here. That's also the one, the base candle. And after that, we broke the structure. Okay. So yeah, if I will choose would have chosen the smaller time frames, then maybe I would have got into the trade, but didn't happen this time. There's another one, GBP JPY, which played out pretty nice from 23-hour candle already. And since we had still the bearish range, we had A here, our low as B here. We had nice retracement inside of all that range. We got some nice reactions from the previous 23-hour candle, which filled the imbalance between here. So it pushed price down, but as we broke structure here, the minor structures, and gave us the higher close to maybe continue higher, then we had nice V2 breaker candles playing out here also, which ran up pretty nice. So this risk reward ratio was about 1:17, and this happened last week. But about this week, we had how did I get the confirmation was as we pushed the price, the demand was pushing price up to break these previous highs. Then again, the demand was broken. We made a new low here. Demand couldn't push price up anymore. So we made a shift in structure. Now we left behind nice big imbalance. So our interest of area was up here. Got to put 2 limits with 15 pips, including the spreads, of course. And we are actually this time, both of my entries activated. So I'm in here with 0.5%, both trades 0.25. And we're trading at the moment at 1.7 and targeting again 1 to 10. So letting this one still ride. And the second target is 1 to 20 almost, somewhere in this big wick, because we have a nice little imbalance as target here. We definitely want to see price pushing here. It's going lower now when the news events came on and New York session opens. We have the overlap at the moment. So yeah, this is my target. Maybe we are even gonna reach this today. But we have nice imbalances left here on lower time frames. I have done the homework and marked up my lowest discount levels. So this is where I'm actually looking for those sells to play out. So this will give us nice 25 to 1 risk reward ratio. Of course, I'm gonna get some partials, take some partials in the way down, but this is the main target at the moment. And maybe even if we look at the discounted levels, we have V1 here. This is the last unmitigated. This is imbalance here, and we have last unmitigated zones right down here. So also the homework for this one is done. I have my limit set. So if it's coming down here, probably gonna get some nice retracement even for this sell here. So what else we had? Let's see. I know our group was watching some sells over this high. They're still playing out, so nothing special going here. Who included the spreads should be in the trade. That's why we always include the spreads, because we actually traded up from the zone 5 pips. My limit didn't get liquidated. I was counting. My limit was about, I think it was 171.44, so like 1 pips more, and I would have gotten liquidated, but this one is still playing out. We were also, some of our people were looking at Euro GBP from this discounted zones. We have a nice massive imbalance here and traded into the low areas. So the trade idea is here. This one's still playing out, nothing special in profit, might go lower, but we'll see. Still the demand is holding, so we might get push higher. Need a confirmation to break this high, then we have a confirmation to go and search for some discounted levels here. And we have nice trend line liquidity as a target also. This one's still bullish, so actually this market should go higher. And we had Euro AUD, which came into the stop loss. We had a nice V1 area down here on 23 hour. That's the last imbalance. We filled this one. This one is stop loss now. So this trade didn't play out. So yeah, that's basically most of it. We had some nice intraday sells actually on Euro USD. Some of our group members got sells from here, from these areas. So this might go still lower. We have some confirmations from breaking demand on 23-hour also. So we'll see where this week's heading. We still have a few hours left on trading day on Friday. So yeah, I guess this is everything.
We also had BTC, but there's no great change on the chart. So basically things are the same as they were.
Yep. Pretty consolidated week.
I'm still looking for that sell.
Yeah, still might play out because we did hit the zone.
Yes,
yeah.
We did.
Yep, that's nice.
Nice wick there.
Yeah.
Let's see.
To confirm that sell, we need break lower. So we'll see. Price still consolidating. So we have nothing to do here.
Yeah, with crypto, things can happen over the weekend too. So
yeah,
might keep an eye on it.
All right, guys. But see you next week. Have a good weekend and backtest and learn.
You too. Thanks, man. See you.